In this video, I am going to show you how to clear cached data in WhatsApp without deleting any chat. So to do so, you don't even have to enter WhatsApp. What you'll need to do is simply go and make sure that you have WhatsApp installed. Then just keep clicking on it. Once you keep clicking on it, you'll find this app info. If you have Xiaomi or Redmi phones, you'll find like an eye icon, which is this one, this small icon as you can see in here. As you can see, you'll find app info and this small icon instead of like app info. So just go and click on that. This will take you into the settings of it. Of course, if you still didn't find anything, you can just go to the settings right away. So you can go to settings and look for, as example, your apps and simply look for your WhatsApp. So where's our WhatsApp as example? Here we are. So we are here. So depending on your phone, you may find a lot of stuff. So if you are here, some phones will find clear data and clear cache from there. For this phone, you'll have to click on storage, then you'll find this clear cache option. And make sure that clearing the cache, as you can see, will not delete your chats, that's for sure. So if you go here and click on clear cache, as you can see, the cache will be cleared. We had some bytes before in there, and now I don't have any. Of course, for you, as I said, some of you may even find it here as you'll find install and you'll find clear data. And if you click on that clear data as example, you'll find instead of this, you'll find clear data or clear cache. You can go and click on it. If you didn't find clear cache, you may find clear data. Click on the clear data and you'll find two options there, clear cache or clear data. If you find like this option, do you want to clear data? Don't click on OK because clearing data will create all the data that you have in WhatsApp and it will be like you uninstalled it, then install it again. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.